National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Bedford County in south central Pennsylvania, southwestern Blair County in central Pennsylvania, southwestern Cambria County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Somerset County in south central Pennsylvania, until 6 p.m. At 5:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Westmont, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Altoona, Johnstown, Hollidaysburg, Westmont, Windber, Etty Glow, Portage, Roaring Spring, Guystown, and Southmont. This includes Interstate 99 for mile markers 14 to 36. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in State College, Pennsylvania. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this severe thunderstorm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.